Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this stock Nifty 50. First of all, if you will see, then index was bearish for the whole day today. Okay, and what happened? See this black line. Okay, this black line 14,918. Okay, this black line which acted as a support yesterday, today it became a huge sort of a resistance. Okay, 14,918 made a huge resistance today. What can happen tomorrow? What was the closing today? See, if you will find closely, then you will find out that the stock was actually taking support of 14,700 rupees. Okay, 14,720 30, or you can say 14,700 around. It took a support. And what can be the trading level for tomorrow? So to identify the trading level, we need to switch this chart to 30-minute or 1 hour time frame. If you will watch it closely, then you will find out that the Nifty has a support of this trend line. Okay, this trend line, which will actually come out around 14,500. Okay, support of this trend line. But if you will draw a line from here, connect this swing low, then you will find out that if tomorrow the Nifty takes support around this region 14,640, okay, and then if it bounces from this region and crosses this high of 14,730, then only Nifty will come under buying conditions. Okay, 15,730, or you can say even 4540, then only Nifty will come under buying position. But this support, if gets broken tomorrow, then Nifty will surely come towards 14,478. Okay, and if you will analyze Fibonacci levels, then you will find out that uh, if you will draw Fibonacci levels from here, then you will find out that 14,512 now is a support for Nifty. Okay, so tomorrow if the stock continues to fall from 14,637, if the index goes below this, then you can easily attain 100 rupee target. But let any 15-minute or 30-minute candle close below this level 14,635.40, then only you should short Nifty index, or you can even buy put for the target of 14,512. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Nifty on sell side. And if you want to be a buyer, then what are the levels? If the stock takes support around 14,500, if the index takes support around 14,500, then you can take a long position. But remember one more thing, let's remove all these drawings. Okay, if you will remove all this drawing and switch to daily time frame, or you can say 4 hour time frame, then you will find out that stock is actually, the index is actually making this cup and handle short of a pattern. If tomorrow Nifty goes below this, then it will be a very bearish day. Okay, so you should actually trade carefully, and this region will act as a support. Okay, this region will act as a support 14,463 to 14,500 rupee tomorrow can act as a support for Nifty. Okay, so if the stock takes support here and then gives a breakout, then only we will switch for buy side view. And if the stock breaks this support and goes below 14,460, then it can show us a target of 14,300 rupees also. Okay, so this is for swing analysis, that the Nifty is making cup and handle sort of a pattern. But on intraday basis, if you want to trade, you can trade it as per the said levels. Okay, so this level tomorrow will act as a resistance according to me, 14,755, and if the Nifty breaks this level, then only you can go for a buy trade. Okay, thank you for watching.